What you doing? What for? I can't. I got a handful of buckets.
Can you see that?
Yeah, you're throwing it pretty high. What's your dump truck doing? Oh, what kind of truck is that? That's not a dump truck. What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it a cement mixer?
No.
Is it an excavator?
Yeah.
It's an excavator?
Yeah.
Pretty good. Whoa, okay, no more rocks, no more rocks. They're big. Caelum. Ouch. Caelum, no more rocks. Or at least no more throwing them, okay? What's the matter? I love you too.
In a branch. Mom?
Mhm.
This is a branch. Mom?
Mhm.
Do you know what?
Mhm.
Where is this?
It's a stick.
No.
Here, bring your dump truck. Let's go back to the apartment and put our stuff inside.
But Mama. What about this?
It is so hot, and we're gonna go out later and play with Lincoln and Orion.
But Mama.
A what? A roly-poly? Did you find a roly-poly?
Yeah.
You did, huh? Can you show me? Oh, you're being very gentle with it. Put it on the palm of your hand instead. Let's see. Can you show me?
Yeah.
A roly-poly. Very nice. Are we nice to bugs?
Yeah.
Yeah. See if he'll land on your hand. He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. You want help? You want me to put him on your hand?
Yeah.
Okay, here, give me this. Put your hand out. Here. Wow, he really wants to stay. Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
Aww. He's so cute.
He's very cool. Oh, thank you. Are you making sure the bucket doesn't eat rocks?
Yeah.
Wow. You like roly-polies?
Yeah. My favorite bug. But they tickle.
They tickle. They do tickle.
Because they have tickle teeth.
That's cute. All right, put him back in his house.